Nixies, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm gonna make this beautiful lol doll, and it's the second part because I've already made this lol doll on my channel previously, so you can go and check that out. So over here I'll take some pieces of thermocol over here, and I'll just take my sharp blade, and then what I'll do is that I'll start carving out the shape for the head of the lol doll, and it's obviously a little big than the body, so that's what I'm gonna exactly do over here. So the front face will be flat and the back side will be a little roundish. Then I'll just make the body as well in this shape. Once it's all done, what I'll do is that I'll put some glue over here upon the thermocol, and then I'll put some tissue paper. So doing this will make the thermocol a little more stable, and it will also give you a smooth surface to work on, and it will close all the pores of the thermocol, so it will be perfect. And once you do this to the head and the body, now again I'll just take some pieces of tissue paper over here and put it on the body as well too.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters. The life of dreams is moving faster, and no one knows the constant fear of what comes after. And we'll never know. It's weighing me down, got my feet on the ground. Let's hide away from the lights and run away from the night. Let's run away.
okay guys, so once I'm done doing that and it's getting dried, what I'll do is that I'll take some white paper over here, and then I'll make this cone shape. After cutting it, these are the 4 different sizes I get for the hands and the legs. So you can use any white paper from any old book or from any other paper you have lying around, then you can just fold it from the corners. So the hands will be the elbows, and from the knee you can fold the legs. Once you're done doing that, you can just double out this stripe and then just put some glue in the between, and once it's done you can just stick it properly. So now once that is done, as you can see, I'll cut these 2 parts and I'll insert each one of that inside the leg so that it can give a nice stable look. Now once that is done, I'll just fold another piece and I'll put it over here for the neck. Now guys, make sure you just stick the neck normally and do not use any glue, but for the hands and the leg you have to use glue so that it does not come out, and it's also movable. And the reason I'm not using any glue for the neck is that it can easily just move side to side, and it will give you a nice look for that. Once you're done, you can make the ears and then start painting it with some acrylic paints.
We're falling hard to find the answer. With this life we live, be all that matters.
Now once I'm done doing that, I'll use some white acrylic paint and start drawing these facial features. You can use any kind of different expressions you want. So now, as you know, the eyes will be very big and beautiful. Then these eyelashes too.
Let's run away.
I'll just draw the eyebrows and then the lips. Now once I'm done doing that, what I'll take is that over here I'll just take the fabric cloth bag and I'll just take out these pieces over here and make a skirt out of it. So after I'm done doing that, I'll put some black dots on top of it. And then the borders as well. So once it's done, I'll make her wear the skirt. Now let's take another fabric bag piece over here and then I'll just make a beautiful top out of it. Now I'll just stick it over here on top. And then I'll just use this glitter foam sheet for the belt and some buttons. And now let's make the shoes with the glitter foam sheet and the cardboard. Then I'll tie these tiny pieces and put some jewelries. Then over here I'll just paint the head brown color and take some brown wool as well. Just take out and make the hairs like I normally do. Now so once this is done, as you can see, this is how I made the hairs and it looks curly, right? That's because I made these curly hairs by myself. So what I did was I took some paint brushes and my mini straightener and I just wrapped it around the brush and then I just got to the heat and it is done, guys. This is what my doll looks like. It's a beautiful doll, and guys, don't forget to check out my previous video which I made another doll and you can go and check that out as well. So guys, this is it. If you finally like this video, please make sure you give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and make sure you hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you will be notified. Till next time, bye bye.
Let's run away.